In recent months, BitTorrent has gotten a lot of attention. During the crypto market slump, the native coin of the peer-to-peer file sharing platform plummeted. Investors now want to know if the well-known protocol could possibly get its act together and generate profits. Buckle up as we unveil what BTT is packing up its sleeves. Howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ding that post notification bell so you never miss another update from us. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Know that the prices of cryptocurrencies do change frequently, so probably by the time you watch this video, it could have changed to a whole new value. So do your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. BitTorrent, which was based in San Francisco, is one of the creators of the world's largest decentralized peer-to-peer communication protocols for being able to share data in large files over the internet. Every single day, the protocol is responsible for a considerable portion of the world's internet traffic. BitTorrent and uTorrent alike are two of the company's trademarks that offer popular torrent download applications for Windows, Mac, and Android. BitTorrent offers feature-rich Safemoon programs for the desktop, a browser-based torrent streaming and downloading solution, and a mobile torrent downloader for Android, which is available on the Google Play Store with over 100 million monthly active users. So this raises the most fundamental question then. What is BTT's purpose, and is it feasible or is it just something that's hypothetical? BitTorrent does offer a number of different products. Torrent downloaders are available for Windows, Mac OS, and Android smartphones. And there's even BTT token-powered crypto programs that help to employ the blockchain system like BitTorrent Speed and BitTorrent File System. The primary concept here is that you can obtain faster downloads while also earning BTT tokens. DL Live, which is the largest live streaming community on the blockchain, also offers BTT token prizes. DL Live protocol is a peer-to-peer network that connects you to your audience instantly. On a live stream, monetizing your audience with token prizes is obviously intriguing. You may also earn points by watching videos. The question though is how much can you earn and whether the effort is even worthwhile. Seriously, what is the value of your time in BTT tokens? And is it really worth a couple of bucks? When viewing an hour of DL Live for BTT initiatives, there is a clear case to be made here for an opportunity cost on, well, just about everything else. A dearth of hard numbers and untrustworthy audiences really don't add up to a compelling case, and we honestly don't believe the monetary rewards should be significant unless you've got thousands of viewers and subscribers. BitTorrent token has a price of 4,285 thousandth of a cent on CoinMarketCap, that is of May 27, 2021, and was ranked the number 43 coin in terms of market capitalization whenever compared to other currencies or tokens. It's even got a $2.8 billion market capitalization and a maximum supply of 990 billion tokens, with a circulating currency supply of around 660 billion BTT. That's a lot of info. With so many various tokens in circulation and a market cap of $2.8 billion, it could be on the verge of becoming a bubble. The genuine worth of BTT currently doesn't correspond to the unreasonable price at which it's actually being traded. BTT soared up to 1,269 hundredths of a cent in April 2021. Cryptocurrencies have lived up to their reputation as being highly unpredictable investments, with a parabolic surge in values and many flash collapses in the last year. During the epidemic, however, the sector ended up maturing, and it is today considered a viable investment opportunity by those who are in the investment world. A significant increase in institutional investment is one of the main causes for this shift. Bitcoin has been snapped up by a few of the big-name investors, including investment banks, billionaires, notable tech players, and others. Major corporations are developing systems to help them manage their space activities, and it has since plummeted to a low of 4,283 thousandth of a cent. BitTorrent was supposed to disrupt the legacy entertainment industry and exactly how consumers receive content. BitTorrent does, however, provide subscriptions to its users, and with the most costly one costing around $70 a year and including features like anonymity and security. However, we do have to have suspicions about future legal claims against BitTorrent by many major media and music labels. The basis of BTT token determines whether it's cheap or pricey. It does have a purpose, but the price is ultimately going to be determined by the supply and demand. And like many other cryptocurrencies, it's a very speculative investment, so before you jump into it and start buying it, think about all the hazards you're going to get yourself into. Don't try to get yourself too carried away. There's no point in the following momentum if the actual principles aren't sound. The FOMO effect frequently leads to irrational investment decisions rather than reasonable ones. This coin, in our opinion, may have a use as described above, but with its current market value worth of $2.8 billion, it is impossible to justify. Since the last time you probably heard about BitTorrent, it's been under new administrations. BitTorrent was purchased by Tron, which is a blockchain ecosystem founded on constant sharing. In 2018, it was given a facelift by the firm, which included its own native token, BTT. In the spring, the BTT token saw a significant increase in value. The cryptocurrency did briefly cross the $1 threshold. Things, however, were shortly lived. As the market as a whole ended up tanking, crypto prices plummeted and it completely sank in May. Furthermore, its year-to-date gains were in excess of 2,400% prior to this month. With bulls expecting BTT to burst beyond the penny barrier in the next few years, it's kind of a good idea to start a small position in the asset. BitTorrent has been unable to monetize its hugely successful service for years. However, the Tron Foundation's takeover pushed it in a far new direction, introducing a currency called Tron to be able to incentivize its members. The coin is mostly for customers who do require premium platform features, such as higher download and upload speeds. Although BTT's price has risen dramatically in the last year, it remains a highly unpredictable investment, and as a result, it would be prudent to use the price drop as an opportunity to open a small position and be able to profit from the short-term gains. Former skeptics, including JP Morgan, feel that Bitcoin has a promising future. Mainstream payment services, even like PayPal, even allow it. Apart from Bitcoin, a number of other cryptocurrencies have also piqued the interest of mainstream investors. And while it is difficult to see how altcoins like BitTorrent will ever hit with institutional investors, the platform has acquired a lot of reputation for being able to propel the pirate sector forward. When it was established in 2003, the platform's creators had no intention of turning it into a pirate ship. BitTorrent, on the other hand, has long been notorious for trading unauthorized content with its users, and this is unlikely to change very soon. As a result, given BTT's shady reputation, it's difficult for mainstream investors to consider investing in it. BitTorrent's murky reputation as well as its volatility should definitely deter any trader from buying in BTT. Quote, "None of this will matter if there is a broad-based cryptocurrency rally," my colleague David Modell stated in his essay. BTT keeps trading at around 2/10,000th of a cent, the price at which it ended in the year 2020. Later on, the price began to rise steadily. BitTorrent received useful assistance from a variety of institutions. The price ended up soaring to 5/10,000th of a cent, to the highest ever level at 129/100ths of a cent in mid-February before it plummeted. On April 5, 2021, BTT reached an all-time high of 126/100ths of a cent. Furthermore, BTT experienced a more than 50% drop in May, causing the cryptocurrency to plummet as low as 2,000th of a cent. BitTorrent is one of the most promising cryptocurrencies available, providing investors with a simple way to be able to enter the lucrative cryptocurrency industry. Furthermore, it's going to continue to improve the overall performance of its platform, resulting in a larger market for the cryptocurrency. And according to many experts, the price increase will continue and may reach a whole cent by the end of 2021. BitTorrent has a lot of potential, and as the user base grows, the price of BTT could rise to $1 or even higher. Prices are rising at an exponential rate due to the circumstances, and as a result, it is not difficult to comprehend this price increase. BitTorrent is currently not officially acknowledged by big tech and is plagued by piracy difficulties. However, based upon the trajectory of their platform development, prominent OTT platforms are expected to collaborate with BitTorrent in the coming years as it protects the safety of their material. Spotify and BTT may collaborate in the future too. BitTorrent's price could even reach as high as $5 in 5 years. In the absence of any company-specific news, BitTorrent's stock soared earlier this year. The fact that the more well-known coins all rallied at the same time is no coincidence. A tweet from Elon Musk or support from Redditors forums would almost certainly be enough to launch into the rally, and as a result, the bulls are correct in believing that BTT will shortly burst beyond that $1 barrier. So with that, we've come to the close of our video, and we hope the session was informative. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about BitTorrent, and subscribe for more content just like this one, along with sharing it with your friends and family. Not to mention to ding that notification bell so you never miss another content update from us. Until next time, folks, we'll see you later.